So, my birthday is in 2 days. 37 where? What? What?
One thing about me, I'm the baddest alive. He know that prettiest bitch didn't come until I arrive. I don't let bitches get to me. Andy. 25. Instinct.
So we on our way to the rooftop, but we walking downstairs. Girl, I want to steal what I just said so bad. Like, we're on our way to the rooftop, but we walking downstairs. She want to be like me so bad. It's crazy. We at the roof bottom. Yeah, go to the roof bottom. Come on to the roof bottom. We're going on a trip in our little rocket ship, going through the sky. Little Einstein. Get ready to explore. What?
You gonna name something from a
Ooh, that's my mom.
Happy birthday!
Say good though. It is cold, y'all.
Look at the sunset. I just be up here.
Like this in a minute.
Out here doing a electric fire in the hustle.
Mom. The music. It's horrible. That's the old lady set.
That's a part of celebration. You see how her face is? She's so serious. She's so serious.
Hey, do the honor! Do the honor!
No, not the honor.
Do the honor! Do the honor! Do the honor!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. You always gotta fight